Hi guys, welcome back to yet again a brand new video. I've just recently come off holiday, not abroad, it was somewhere down in Great Yarmouth, so it was actually a pretty decent holiday to be fair. Right, in today's video, what I will be doing is the fact that I've been waiting for wheel spacers for a very long time. A lot of people keep saying space the wheels, and I finally managed to get it. These are second hand, they're Puma speeds. Lucky enough, one of my mates managed to send a link and said, look, someone's selling these and stuff like that, and I thought, Joe, I'll crop them, and I can't thank them enough, so thanks for that. But yeah, this is what today's video is all about, is me actually spacing the wheels finally. And yeah, I can't wait to put them on because it's going to make the car transform so much better, give it a wider stance. Don't know yet, I might have to do another video, obviously the drive wise, like the driving etc and stuff like that, see if you feel difference. I don't think you'll feel difference, I don't know until I swing it around the corner, be an absolute maniac. But guys, basically what I'll be doing is spacing these out because the arches are ridiculously far forward and up to the wheels, and it's absolutely mad. It drives me nuts. The fronts ain't too sad, the backs, look at them. I say don't forget I've got the car jacked, but the way it's it needs to come. This is because it's on a jack. So yeah, so I've done one. So the difference, that one. Right boys, I didn't actually film me jacking the car up, mate. It was such a pain in the arse. I've never seen a jack like this before. The bar was longer than me, and you can't even, I have never seen it in my life. But yeah, I was cutting myself and stuff like that, and it was just cock-handed, so just thought we'd get straight to it. And that's what we got, guys. Oh, sorry, I've got hiccups again, man. But take this off. Yeah, I had to get rid of all that. I had to. Done all that. It's not bad condition. Obviously, I will have to get all this off, and that should be in another video because I want to paint my calipers in it. But yeah, just slide that on, make sure it's lined up properly, and get your bolts. These are Puma speeds. They're second hand, but they really are in good condition, to be fair. I'm actually quite gassed from. Paid £100 for these. Oh. Yeah, get these on. So what's that, 4 bolts. And then for all you guys that want wheel spacers, don't do what I done wrong. Basically, I bought ones without the threads. You need the threads if you got a Fiesta. guys, that's the back done. That is absolutely perfect. Whoever's got a Z-Tech S, make sure to get 20 mils because that is flush. That ain't gonna rub or anything. And I'll eventually, it looks like I'll eventually need tyres, bro. But no, that's fucking sexy as hell now. It's due for a clean. It's time to get on for the fronts. They're going for 15s. So 15s, 20s. So yeah, that's flush. Now it's the back. Right, it's time to take off the fronts. And just before I tell you, I didn't realise I've only got 3 nuts there. So I'm driving, thinking like, what the fuck? Why is it wiggling? Like I can feel vibrations when I go certain miles an hour. Because my locking wheel nut's gone. It's gone.
Found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah.
Right guys, that is the end of the video. Thank you so much for the support as always. I'll keep getting all these parts, keep doing as much as I can for this car to make you lot get your own stuff or follow. It'd be much appreciated if you did follow and stuff like that. But yeah, thank you for watching. Be supportive. I'll see you in my next video. Peace.